Hi there, I have a brand new catalog to share with you today. This mini catalog runs from January to April 2025, and I'd like to wish you a happy 2025 and lots of health, lots of crafting, and just overall happiness. So let's go through this catalog very quickly, and I will bring in some of the products that I've purchased and we'll talk about them together. Now, I'm always glazing through the front pages here because I just want to get into the catalog. Now, if you remember the last catalog, they had these really quick and easy Christmas cards, and they've kind of repeated that here with these cards. They are all mix and match. You have envelopes, you have different types of ephemera that you can mix and match, and they also have sentiments. So I thought I'd give those a try. So I did purchase these, and I'm not going to take them out. I actually repurpose the envelopes that I get when I get dies, and I put them in here. I find that they stay nice and firm, and they don't come off, and I don't damage them. I really like all of the sentiment, and you know, sometimes you're in a rush, you make your card and you want to do some white embossing and you just don't have time. I think this is going to come to the rescue on a few cards. So they have them in white and they have them in black, and you know what? Some of them here, you can also color them with your markers. So I think that those are going to be a lot of fun. I didn't purchase all of them, but I definitely want to give these ones a go right here. You can see that they've got beautiful artwork to inspire you to create your very own. If you like to create quick and easy small albums, this one here is really pretty, and it has that same look and feel where you have pre-printed cards and you can use them for both creating an album or even making cards. So let's go through here. Now this page here, believe it or not, I didn't purchase anything. It is on my wish list. I think that this is absolutely stunning. I love the size of this stamp right here. It is a polymer stamp, and they've gone ahead here, and if you look at the artwork, they've added a few colors on here, and I think that it looks really, really great. So this is a collection that I did get. Let me just reach over here to the side. And this is a 6x6 collection, and it's a great collection because these are pretty much, for me anyways, neutral. And they are also masculine. So if you need to make any masculine cards or layouts and you like plaids, because there is tons and tons of it, as you can see, and you get multiple sheets because it's a 6x6 pack. But look at all of them. They are so pretty, and I can't wait to create something with this, either a scrapbook layout or a few cards. But this is one of the collection that I did purchase. On this page here, you've got gorgeous 12x12 papers, and you also have really pretty stamp sets. I'm just waiting for the scrapbooking kits to come out, to be honest with you, but I did pick up these really pretty pearls. These are antique pearls, and I really do like them. They're nice and flat, so they lay nice and flat when you use them on your scrapbook layouts, and I'm kind of a sucker for pearls, and these ones here are just so pretty. So I did pick those up, and I did pick up this collection. We're going to move right along. This is such a pretty collection. You've got the Peter Rabbit and the nice little icons. And then you come to this one right here, and this is also really, really pretty. And believe it or not, the only thing I got from this collection so far is this great embossing folder. These 3D embossing folders have become my favorite. I have to tell you, I love the size of them. I love the way that they emboss. And these soft waves are going to be very versatile in a lot of my projects. So I did pick up these waves right here. If we move on to this one, this suite is so pretty. The Delightful Wishes bundle. I haven't picked it up yet, but I do like it a lot. I do like these cute little bees that you see for embellishing, and the papers are so bright and sunny. I really do like those. And you've got more here that carries on with that collection. It's a very pretty collection. Believe it or not, I did not get the butterfly, but I did get this pretty collection here. I really, really like it. And I'm going to show you, I've actually used this already. And I'm going to link the video down below where I used a brand new sketchbook from the creative design team where all of the sketches are for 6x6 papers. And I used this really pretty collection and I really love the way that it turned out. So see all of these gorgeous colors, and then when you flip them over, I'm kind of being a little messy here. Hold on. Let me show you this a little bit better. So you've got tons of papers. So you've got this one here. I love this color combination, and this is not something that I would do, but when I saw it, I thought, oh, this is very, very nice. So you've got some oranges if you're into the orange club, and then you've got this here with the nice pinks and blues, and of course the bouquet look. And you also have these backgrounds. So I just love this collection. This birthday celebration collection is just so, so pretty. The only thing I got so far is this gorgeous ribbon. Because I was working on my December daily, I thought that this would look really, really nice in my album. And you know what? I forgot to use it. So I can't wait to use it with this collection here. It's just that perfect amount of gold to spice up anything that you're working on. So here you see how they've used this collection with beautiful, very intricate cards. And there's a whole bunch of brand new masks. And as always, beautiful stamp sets to create beautiful cards or scrapbooking. I'm not showing you products because I was very good. I did not overspend. I just got a few pieces to get a feel for it. And then I'm going to wait for the scrapbooking supplies to come out. And then I will just add to the previous things that I've already purchased. This is my quick walkthrough for the mini catalog, and I wanted to remind you not to forget to go online. So these are online exclusives. I've picked up this one here, and the reason why I picked this one up, so it's got beautiful sentiments. I really like the sentiments, but I also really, really love the dies. This shape here is very unique, and these dies for the sentiments are just so, so good. So I decided to pick this one up. I think that it's very versatile and you can use it pretty much on anything because it's got a lot of great sentiments. And again, going into the embossing folder, take a look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? And you know what? As I was saying to you, I was working on my December daily album. My album is a 6x8. And you can emboss the entire page with this size of embossing folder. So I really like that. And I think that this is a very unique shape. So definitely I had to get this one. I thought I would throw in the celebration brochure right here. Now, starting on January 7th all the way to February, the end of February, when you place an order, you get to pick out of this really awesome catalog here. And I'm just going to show you two of the picks that I've collected so far. I did pick this one because it is just so good for scrapbooking. You can do so many great words, and I love that the word day is nice and big. That way I can do an ombre effect. I can do a rainbow effect. I just really love this. And you know what? It was completely free. So that was a lot of fun. And this is another one that I picked up from the celebration catalog. And this one here is a really pretty heart. So you've got your heart, you've got your sentiments, and you also have your dies. And what I love about these dies, most of them, I would say probably 99.9%, you always get a really unique bracket for your sentiment. And I really love that because I'm always looking for that perfect shape. So these are the two items that I've picked up from my celebration purchases, and you can do that too starting on January 7th. Before I conclude my catalog walkthrough, I thought I'd show you these two items. I think they're from the online store, so don't forget to go and check out the online exclusive because you're not going to find everything in the catalog. So this is just kind of like your jumping point if you like to touch a catalog and go through it and sip your coffee, but maybe jump on your iPad and go check out the online section. You find these really great things like this embossing folder. This one is called Starstruck, and I really like how dainty it is, and it's got full of tiny little stars. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up on that, but I really like this one. This last one here, if you love background stamps like me, you're going to want this one. This one is so good. And I did use that in the layout that will be listed down below. And it is a cling stamp, so you've got a whole bunch of them here. And I love the circle. I love that you've got straight lines here, and you've got some little splatters that you can kind of fill in. It's just a really good one. These are the type of stamp sets that I gravitate to because you can use them on so many different projects. So this concludes my catalog walkthrough, my little sneak peek of the celebration coming up on the 7th of January. Well, that's it for me today. I want to thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. And as always, have yourself a fantastic day and a very happy 2025. Bye for now.